Son, don't forget all the game that I gave you. What you learned at mama's knee. Wear them words like they're a crown on your head, a chain on your neck, a Super Bowl ring. All of your friends ain't friends. Some of the homies you running with snakes. They try to tempt you with sinning and venom. You might have to cut them, just do what it takes. Let's say they say, I know a spot not too far from the block. We could just pull up and watch them and plot, because all of them innocent. We got the drop. Just like she old, let's swallow them whole. We get the money, the jewels, the gold. Let's take what they got and then take them for more. We gon' split what we get and link up with the bros. No. That's not the path that you really won't walk. They looking for blood, they running the evil. Got stuck in the trap, not knowing they caught. Look, you know how it go. You live by the sword, you gon' die by that knife. They got it by greed, they clouded they sight. They ran up a bag, but pay with their life.
אומר לקולי, אנוכי מתחנן, שמע לקולי החכמה, אנוכי צועק אליך, שמע אליי, ידעת טובה, ראשית דעת.